I'm a hustler, baby. Hustler. I just want you to know. Let you know. It ain't where I've been. But where I'm about to go. Top of the world now. I just wanna love you. But be who I am. Know you love me.
What's up, and welcome back to my channel. Today the hair I will be using is from Qthair, and they gave me a pair of lashes in their packaging, a hairnet, and they gave me 3 bundles in a closure. And this hair is so pretty, and it's so soft. And on the label they said that you can bleach and perm this hair as well. And I did want to do like a color 4 on the ends of his hair before I made my not U-part wig, but closure wig. So I did go ahead and bleach it off camera. Now this hair is extremely soft. The closure comes pre-plucked, which I love. The knots are not big, which is also a great thing. And this hair took no time to bleach to that color 4. It's like as soon as I put that bleach on there, it started turning. But we're gonna jump right in this tutorial. Now this is my first time ever creating a deep side part wig. So like this is not the same as if you just slap the closure in the middle of the spandex dome cap and just do the hair all around it and then turn it to the side. Like, no, that is not going to work. And I actually created my own method on how to create a deep side part wig, so I will be doing a video on that very soon. I just wanted to try this out first before I show you guys how I did it, and it came out extremely perfect the first time. Like the idea I had in my head came out just the way I needed it to be. So I did create this as a deep side part wig, and like I mentioned, you cannot just switch it to the side because the tracks are laid a certain way, and it's for a deep side part. So anywho, I'm going to follow the same steps like I do if I was installing a closure on my client. I'm going to go ahead and cut off that thick part on the sides, however, and I'm going to take my foundation color, just go ahead and rub that right in there. Now sometimes I use level 14 foundation and sometimes I use level 16. They both work great for me, so if you have both and you run out of one or the other, it should do you just fine if you are close to my complexion. So I'm just going to go ahead, and this is what I mean by you cannot wear it anywhere. You see how it was looking when it was kind of towards the middle? Like this is like for the side only. So I'm going to go ahead and twist that right onto the side, and I'm going to go ahead and make my part. And this is 3 bundles in a closure, so you can do this look with a frontal as well. But the deep side part closure video that I posted a while ago, the views is just like up there. Like everybody was going crazy. Oh, this is so awesome, this is so smart. So I said, you know what, I'm going to create a wig for myself and install that same look on myself. The first video was of my sister, now it's going to be of me. And if you've been following me from the beginning, yes, I have a lot of sisters. My mom has 6 kids, it's 4 girls and 2 boys. So you have seen my mom on my channel, my sisters on my channel, and you will see you've seen my youngest sister, my oldest sister, my mom, and you will be seeing the sister that's right underneath me, and I will be posting that tutorial tonight as well. But anywho, jumping back into this video, I will be using a ghost bond, and I'm only going to apply 2 layers. And I'm only going to show you the first layer because it's just repetition when it comes to laying down a lace closure or frontal, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and let that turn clear, and then I'm going to go ahead and pull that down into that glue. And as usual, I usually blow dry it, rub it in gently. You don't have to do it so hard. And then I'm going to go ahead and create my part with this hair and actually create my baby hairs. And they came out pretty nice on camera using the Got To Be gel. So I'm going to go ahead and do it as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and thank you for watching, and always tuning in. So for the part and to lay it like smoother, I am going to use the Alpha G foam, and I'm going to put that on the roots on both sides. And I'm just going to comb that in, smooth it out with my hand, comb it in, smooth it out. And then I'm going to wet my hair with water and conditioner. I will do another video using the silicone mix, and I will kind of show you like a difference as far as when the hair dries, so that video will be coming soon as well. But I am loving this Qthair. I love curly hair. Curly hair is my go-to, and it's just like, I love how full the bundles were, how soft it was, and everything. Like, it was perfect for me. And I love how the closure melts in with my skin really well with the bleaching of the knots, and using that foundation color is giving me some scalp, and those are the results we want when installing anything that is lace. So now I'm going to go ahead and, as you've seen, cut those hairs down short to about 1 inch. And as I mentioned before, I will go in with my Got2b gel and create those baby hairs. So I'm just going to go ahead and get the swoopity swoop. And I would do my best, because as I always mention, this is hard to do on my camera. So I'm going to go try my best and swoop it up. It might take me some time, but bear with me, guys. I think I cropped out most of the time that it took me to do those. But pretty much once I finish laying the baby hairs, and I wet the hair up and just use, you know, like the water and the foam and everything to get it nice and neat, this tutorial will be done. And I will drop some footage right after these clips to show you the end result. It was so cute, and it's so simple, and I hope you guys really do enjoy it. Like, I did a full tutorial, as I said before, as far as laying the closure down the same way, with whether you're doing this as a custom-made wig or if you're actually installing the closure on a client. You can watch that previous video of my sister's hair so that you can get it down packed. So if you guys will want to see how I created this deep side part unit, just let me know down in the comments, and I will go ahead and show you how to do it, whether you're using straight hair or curly hair. But yes, this hair is nice, and I'm just going to go ahead and wet that thing up. And another thing I forgot to mention, I like when curly hair can be dyed and it still keeps its pattern. Like, that is really, really hard to find. So I was so happy that this hair by Qt kept its pattern after bleaching, because some hair goes completely straight. So this is a good thing, guys. I give this company a thumbs up, and I will have all the details down below for this hair. So go ahead and use those coupon codes, links, everything down in the description box, right under my basic and my usual welcome back to my channel, blah 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 thing. So just check out those hair details for all information, and this will be pretty much the finishing look. So once I finish wetting this thing up, comb it out, make sure my part is straight and everything else, I will show you the end result. But this is Beautiful Hustler, and thank you for coming back to my channel. But if you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. We have uploads coming back to back. So enjoy, stay tuned, take notes, make requests, do what you do, and be blessed. Till next time, you guys.